Brian Flickinger. I work here at Riggs Cat and I'm a field service technician. Went to Lincoln High School and went through the Don Tyson School Innovation Diesel program my senior year. And just go out in the field and take care of customers and their needs, repair any down machines. I grew up on a farm, so I've always worked on farm equipment, and turning a wrench is something I've always enjoyed doing, and getting the satisfaction of taking a down machine and getting it back up and running.
Our organization is a family-owned organization. It's from the Riggs and Crest family. We have 8 locations in Arkansas. We're a Caterpillar sales and service. Right now, we probably employ anywhere from 15 to 20 trained technicians a year. And we also sponsor people in internships. Usually when we get somebody from the School of Innovation, they have basic of systems, engine, hydraulic, electronics. They have a good knowledge of where to begin. And the people we get from there are some of our best people. They turn out very well. Our company continues to train people on technology. Every time Caterpillar or any other manufacturer comes out with a new product, something's going to change in technology. And we have to be prepared for that. So training don't stop when you get out of school. You have to have a good work ethic in training as well as working on the ground. The guy's good with his hands to make a good mechanic. I don't think that holds water. I think it's good that he's good with his hands, but these guys have to be able to articulate well with our customers. When they go on a job or a customer comes in here, how our mechanics or our technicians introduce themselves, they're representing us. They have to be well-spoken, they have to have good manners, they got to get along with others. Springdale Public Schools, they seem interested in what we do. They understand what we're looking for, and I have yet to get anybody that's been recommended from the school that wasn't top-notch.